So very good morning to one and all. A happy morning, and I mean there have been many Saturdays, but this Saturday has always been something. I mean, I wanted to see that how can I make this Saturday a different one and a special weekend for a lot of people. So today we have a special guest. In fact, I should say a prominent speaker about whom, even though I got to know very recently when I heard about her. I mean, when I heard the lecture sessions of her and when I spoke with her, I felt like, okay, we have one of the best person who can address the student and the rest of the participants community today. So let me take the privilege of introducing Madam Sujata Singh. So she is an international coach. I mean, she is an IFC certified person, life person, like she's from International Coach Federation certified. And she's a performance and relationship coach, a teenage counselor, leadership trainer, and a GE certified soft skills trainer, and she's a postgraduate from economics from the University of Madras, and she's also a management expert from IIM. Very rarely we find such people in our teams today these days, because we meet a lot of people, but such great certifications. Very happy to have you, ma'am. And she carries over 21 years of vast experience overall, and she is also into learning and development, where she carries about 19 years of experience in learning and development. Having 19 years of experience is not a small thing. And her experience includes working with Genpact, on Atkins, Xiaomi, Culfit, everything. It's like you, even with the top corporates like Oracle, Siemens, Samsung. I mean, it's a very huge list of experiences that she has been carrying forward. And on the personal front, she is a mother of three people. I mean, three ages: 16, 13, and 5. Trust me, a mother at this age, and I mean addressing so many people, delivering wonderful sessions, and also being a part of so many corporate companies, so many certifications. Really glad to have you here today, ma'am. So it's all over to you now. We would really expect you to motivate the people in such a way that we would like to continuously listen to you back to back on this. So very glad to have you, and thanks to all the participants. It's over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Karthik. A very warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for having me on this particular platform. I came to know about this wonderful platform that is reaching out to so many students, so many colleges across so many geographies, with also getting in touch with management of colleges, of placement officers, all of this. So this is like an entire ecosystem that they're trying to reach out to. నేను నా పేరు సుజాత సింగ్. ఐఎమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ సౌత్ ఇండియన్. ఐ మ్యారీడ్ టు నార్త్ ఇండియన్, అందుకు ఆ సింగ్ ఉంది పేరులో. కానీ నేను తెలుగు పిల్లనే. సో కంఫర్టబుల్ గా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడగలను, హిందీలో మాట్లాడగలను, తమిళ్ కూడా వచ్చు, బెంగాలీ కూడా వచ్చు. అది ఇంకో విషయం లేండి. కానీ ద రీజన్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ అ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ హిందీ ఇన్ టుడేస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ is so that I can actually reach out comfortably to this entire population of people here. So, but before I start, మనం ఇక్కడ 93 మంది ఉన్నాం, 93 మంది ఉన్నాం, right? Let me understand the kind of population that I'm actually going to present to. అది చాలా important. We are talking about impression management. Today the topic itself is impression management in order to crack your interview, in order to create that kind of readiness for your interviews, right? సో నాకు కూడా తెలియాలి ఎటువంటి పాపులేషన్ తోటి నేను డీల్ చేస్తున్నానో, అప్పుడే మనం దాని ప్రకారంగా ఇవాళ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విల్ టేక్ ఇట్ అహెడ్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ ప్లీజ్ తొందరగా మీరు స్టూడెంటా లేక కాలేజ్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటరా, ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసరా, మీ డెసిగ్నేషన్ ఏంటి? మీరు స్టూడెంట్ అయితే మీ డ్రీమ్ కంపెనీ ఏంటి? ఏ ఇయర్ లో ఉన్నారు? ఐ యు ఇన్ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్, ఐ యు ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ కంపెనీ? ఆ ఒక్క విషయం నాకు తొందరగా మీరు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టేసేయండి. అప్పుడు నాకు బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దొరికేస్తుంది మీ అందరి గురించి. సాయిరామ్ ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ ఇందు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ. హలో సాయిరామ్ గారు. సో are you a student? Are you the owner of the college? I'm a faculty in engineering college. Lovely. Very nice. Yes, I would like to know various tips about university to inform and help students. Wonderful. Ramesh Murtha garu, founder of Resume Maker. Lovely. Maheshwari from Indu College of Engineering and Technology. Hello Karishma. This is Bharat. Sous Chef. Lovely. From Novotel and a trainer. Okay. yes. Now I'm getting the final year students one after the other. మీరు నాకు ప్రైవేట్ గా రాయనక్కర్లేదు, మొత్తం గ్రూప్ లో రాయొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అందరికీ తెలుస్తుంది కదా మన స్టూడెంట్ పాపులేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉందా ఈ క్లాస్ లో, లేక ఈ వెబినార్ లో ఎక్కువ మంది అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ లో ఉన్నారా, స్టూడెంట్ సపోర్ట్ లో ఉన్నారా, ప్లేస్మెంట్ లో ఉన్నారా, ఎక్కువ ట్రైనర్స్ ఉన్నారా, మనందరికీ తెలుస్తుంది. ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, లవ్లీ. చాలా రెస్పాన్సెస్ వచ్చాయి. ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇంకొకటి, నేను ఒక కామన్ ట్రెండ్ నోటీస్ చేశాను. ఈ ఒక్క గ్రూపే కాదు, చాలా గ్రూప్స్ లోనే ఒక చిన్న ట్రెండ్, అంటే నాకు కాస్త డిసప్పాయింట్మెంట్, కాస్త డిస్ట్రెస్ వచ్చే ఒక చిన్న ట్రెండ్ ని నోటీస్ చేశాను. ఏదైతే మనం ఒక వెబినార్ ఉంది, ఒక గంట సేపు వెబినార్ ఉంది, లేకపోతే 2 గంటల వెబినార్ ఉంది, మనం ఇనీషియల్లీ లాగిన్ అవుతాం, అయ్యి ఒక 10-15 నిమిషాల్లో లాగౌట్ అయిపోతాం. అలా అవ్వాలి, మీకు అంత ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా లేదేమో ఇది అని అనుకుంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడే లాగౌట్ అయిపోవచ్చు, ఏం పర్వాలేదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. I'm just letting you know that it's extremely important. I respect your time, so the mutual respect has to be extended back to me as a speaker. So koddiga oka chinna request mi andarki that you should stay on for 1 hour, ask all the questions that you have, let us have an honest one-to-one discussion. I will be taking you through some basic, very basic slides. Impression management anedi asalu rocket science kaane kaadu, it's very simple. It's something that we do, as Karthik had actually pointed out earlier. It is something that we do in day-to-day life, but we don't do it with a particular application in mind, or we don't do it with a particular goal in mind. Ikkada మీరు ఒకసారి టాపిక్ చదివారు అంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంప్రెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఫార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ సక్సెస్. వెరీ క్లియర్లీ ఈ గంట సేపు నేను ఏదైతే మాట్లాడతానో ఇప్పటి నుంచి, ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ మినిట్, ఐ విల్ ఓన్లీ బి టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ సక్సెస్. ఓకే, సో నాకు ఏంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది అంటారా, ఒక అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 2500 ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ నేను తీసుకొని ఉంటాను. యాజ్ అ క్యాంపస్ రిక్రూటర్ నేను తీసుకొని ఉంటాను. యాజ్ అ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ ఫర్ అన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, జెన్పాక్ లో నేను ఐ వాజ్ విత్ జెన్పాక్, వీ వర్ ఇన్ టు మాస్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్. అక్కడ కూడా ఒక బేసిక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యాజ్ అ రిక్రూటర్. మేము ఏం చూస్తాం క్యాండిడేట్ లో, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో తీసుకున్నాం, బ్యాంకింగ్ సెక్టర్ లో తీసుకున్నాం మనుషుల్ని, ఫ్రెషర్స్ ని మోస్ట్లీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ దట్ యూర్ యాక్చువల్లీ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఇన్ ద క్యాండిడేట్, అది చూసాం. సో ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఒక యూనివర్సిటీ లెవెల్లో బోల్డ్ మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ని నేను ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, అంటే ఐ వాజ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్గనైజేషనల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫర్ శారదా యూనివర్సిటీ. ఇట్స్ అ యూనివర్సిటీ దట్ హ్యాస్ 16,500 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్, అండ్ 15 డిఫరెంట్ కాలేజెస్ అన్నమాట. మెడికల్ కాలేజ్ ఉంది, డెంటల్ కాలేజ్ ఉంది, engineering college undane undi. So all of these colleges, of course. So there again, from the other perspective, ante oka supplier ga, a supplier of manpower ga, అంటే ఏమేమిటి చూస్తున్నారు, రిక్రూటర్స్ ఏం చూస్తున్నారు అని చెప్పి నేను మా పిల్లల్ని ట్రైన్ చేసిన రోజులు ఉన్నాయి. సో దాని వల్లే నేను ఇవాళ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఈ పర్టికులర్ టాపిక్ లో ఇంత క్లియర్ గా, కంఫర్టబుల్ గా మాట్లాడగలుగుతున్నాను, కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే నా ఇంగ్లీష్ కానీ నా తెలుగు కానీ అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే, మీరు అది రాసేసుకోండి, ఒక నోట్ ప్యాడ్, ఒక పెన్ మీ పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి తప్పకుండా. ఏదైనా అర్థం కాలేదంటే ఒకసారి రాసుకోండి. At the end of the program, we will open up the session for any number of questions and doubts that you have. Okay, so basic expectation, మీరందరూ ఫోన్ సైలెంట్ లో పెట్టేసుకోండి. మీ ఫోన్ అంటే, if you're not logging in from your phone, put your phone, your distraction on silent. Put your system also on mute, and let's continue with today's program. Okay, so then tondarga, not much, don't know Telugu, is this session in Telugu? No, the session is not in Telugu, but it is a multilingual session. I will be using English mostly. 80% of the session will be in English. The rest of the session will have a little bit of salt and pepper of Telugu and Hindi. Okay, so with this, I'm just setting basic expectations, and let's continue with today's session. Okay, with your permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I have a small concern. So now the Zoom will allow only 100 participants here. Since we are already on 100, can I
Yes.
lock the room so that it will be
Please.
completely safe?
Please do. Please
I have
do.
locked the meeting, so nobody will disturb your session now.
I'm so happy.
I'm,
God bless you.
And I would like to add one point, because my association with Genpact in 2011 and 12 was very good, and I was a part of Gachibowli, I mean, sorry, this LB Nagar team, like where we sit at the
Lovely.
right. So I was sitting over there, and for some time I was in High Tech City. We really had great experiences. My growth as an HR, and now I'm currently doing as an assistant vice president of a management consulting company. So looking forward to put you across various other colleges and companies also for your sessions, ma'am. So we'll be
Happy,
connected, right? It's over to you now. It's over to you now.
happy,
I'm making you as
happy.
a host, so you can lead the session. You can start
Yes.
the
So,
presentation.
so before I start, thank you so much, Karthik. Before I actually start with the main session, I want everyone to put their hands together and say thank you, COVID. Okay. Say thank you, COVID.
Okay, thank you,
Otherwise,
COVID.
yes, otherwise I would not get this amazing opportunity of reaching out to so many audiences. I would have been in a training seminar or a train the trainer or a master leadership session somewhere in some corporate Gurgaon, because that's where I'm based. For the last 11 years I've been working out of Gurgaon. So thank you, COVID. I get to see all these beautiful faces. All right, so I'll start with today. Ivala pedda, again, as I said, it is not rocket science that I'm going to give you. Kani, tips, tricks, ఆరి తేరి బాగా ట్రైడ్ అండ్ టెస్టెడే ఉన్నాయి. ఓవర్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఇయర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటి, ఫెయిలియర్స్ తో నేర్చుకున్నాము, సక్సెసెస్ తో నేర్చుకున్నాము. సో అదే నేను మీకు ఇవాళ చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, సో విత్ యువర్ పర్మిషన్, నేను ఆల్రెడీ బేసిక్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ అయితే సెట్ చేసేసాను. సో విత్ యువర్ పర్మిషన్, లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ విత్ బేసిక్. ఎస్, ఇంప్రెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే అగైన్ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ వచ్చినా మీరు పక్కన నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసేసుకోండి. బికాస్ నేను మధ్యలో ఇంకొకటి కూడా మిమ్మల్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేను మధ్యలో మిమ్మల్ని కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగొచ్చు. సో ఐ మే జస్ట్ పిక్ అప్ అ ర్యాండమ్ నేమ్ అండ్ మేబీ ఆస్క్ సమ్వన్ టు ఆన్సర్. మీరు అప్పుడు కంఫర్టబుల్ అయ్యి హాయిగా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఐ మీన్, నేను ప్యూర్ వెజిటేరియన్, నేను మనుషుల్ని తిన్ను. సో సో ఐ కెన్ జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ రైట్ అవే విత్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. సో ఇంప్రెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఓకే, గిరి గారు అన్నారు ఇంప్రెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే మ్యామ్ చాలా ఒక డిఫరెంట్ గా అనిపిస్తుందండి, అంటే ఏంటో చాలా మంచి టాపిక్ లాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇంప్రెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ఏమీ లేదండి, ఎదుటి మనిషికి హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ దాట్ what kind of an impression am I giving to the receiver of my resume? Okay, I'm going to repeat this. Impression management is the kind of impression I am trying to make on my interviewer, on my recruiter. It's as simple as that. Okay, so adi basic definition anamata impression management ki. So now nenu ఒక మంచి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను మీకు. ఇందాక వెబినార్ లో అంటే ఒక 10:45 కి 10:53 కి నేను లాగిన్ అయ్యాను ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. ఆ టైంలో ఒక 26 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. నేను నా మొహం చూపించలేదు. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఇంకా కరెక్ట్ గా 11:02 కి కార్తిక్ గారు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. 11:03 కి అప్పుడు కూడా నేను మొహం చూపించలేదు. అప్పుడు కార్తిక్ గారి మొహం ఫస్ట్ వచ్చింది అనమాట మనందరికి. సో మనందరము మన మైండ్ లో మనిషిని చూస్తే ఇమీడియట్లీ విదిన్ 5 to 35 seconds మనం ఒక పర్టిక్యులర్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఆ మనిషి గురించి ఫార్మ్ చేసేసుకుంటాం. we actually form an impression about that individual in the first 5 to 30 to 35 seconds of actually seeing them for the first time. This is something that is proven by various business studies institutes, in fact even by Harvard Business Review. They proved that the first impression that an individual makes, that a recruiter makes, a person makes, a human being makes, is within the first 5 to 30 seconds of actually seeing someone. So I'm repeating it, actually seeing someone ante the person doesn't have to even open his or her mouth and speak. Just seeing someone sends these mental images to the brain and you're forming an impression about him or her. Okay, so andaru, is everyone with me? Everyone understands what we are talking about in terms of impression management? Andariki ardham avutunda? Idi impression, basic impression management ante. Meeku ardhamaindi? If you're able to understand my language, please say yes in the chat box. I have plenty of participants raising hands. I've already set an expectation. Okay, yes ki raise hand chesanemo. All right. Oh, lovely. So everyone is connected. I'm so happy. అంటే పొద్దున 11ంటికి మనం లేచున్నాం అనమాట. వీఆర్ బ్రైట్ అండ్ అలర్ట్, దట్ మీన్స్. సో ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ. All right. So yes, exactly. Thank you so much for the resounding guesses that I've received. So let's move forward to impression management immediately. Okay. I'm going to resume the share. And my computer is frozen for some reason. Sorry. I don't know why my computer is acting up today. Okay. So this is, by the way, my YouTube channel. I speak in 3 different languages. I share various stories that have moral value, that have success secrets in them, corporate lessons, all of these. So I would request that these 100 people here would definitely subscribe to my channel. I have sent the link in the chat box. నేను వచ్చిన వెంటనే actually ఈ particular group లో ఆ లింక్ పంపించాను chat box లో. So this is what impression management means, Andy. Very simply, impression management. What are the takeaways of the session, Ante? You will come to know what exactly impression management is. There are some shocking facts about impressions of recruiters. I mean, directly from the horse's mouth, we have actually heard so many things that recruiters have told us. Vaadu maku chaala information icharu. So what is that information? We'll actually share that information with you. And what are the basic A, B, C, D building blocks? What are the components to form that particular impression on people, especially on recruiters, because we are looking at interview success, right? Finally, each component, ఒక్కొక్క component, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక 4 components, we are talking about 4 or 5 components, then we will demystify. Demystifying means we will try to understand and simplify each of those components. Okay? That makes sense to you? Let's move forward. What do you see here? Please use the chat box. What do you see in this? I'm going to repeat what we see here. Trust is built on first impressions. What do you see? Use the chat box, please. No one's using the chat box? మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చూస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ?
We have already typed, ma'am. Probably.
There's some delay then. I'm not able to get even one chat. ఒక chat కూడా రాలేదండి. Sorry. That's strange. Anyways, I see 91 participants. I mean, 100 has gone down to 91, but that's fine. I'm sure they have something more pressing to do. God bless. Okay, so absolutely what we are able to see here is, if I had seen the person on the right side, the person in the red shirt, with lots of tattoos on his hands, with a pair of jeans and a big skull cap on the finger. Na impression, ante will I go ahead and say, doctor, I'm not well, can you please operate me? I may not. As a person, I may not be very comfortable going to such a person. Alantidi, ayana completely oka doctor robe lo, oka robe veskuni, oka stethoscope toti, with a proper attire, nenu atanni chuste, automatically I will feel, okay, yes, this is a doctor, I can go to him, he is going to help me with my problem. Okay? So this is the need of impressions. నేను ఎందుకు ఇది మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, చాలా మంది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో ఉన్న పిల్లల్ని, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ని, ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్స్ ని చాలా మందే కలిసాను నేను. When I actually help them with their performance, they tell me, they give me some clues అన్నమాట. వాళ్ళు అంటారు, ma'am, why do I have to actually wear formals? Why do I have to look good? Why do I have to shave, ma'am? The customer is not able to see me, right? My customer is sitting in the US, he's not able to see me. What is the requirement for me to look good? Ane oka question untundi vallallo, oka assumption untundi. That's exactly when we talk about the need of impressions. వాళ్ళ మేనేజర్ ఉన్నారు, బిజినెస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఓనర్ ఉన్నారు, వేరే మనుషులు ఉన్నారు. అంటే Oracle లో అవనివచ్చు, ఇట్ కుడ్ బి గూగుల్, ఇట్ కుడ్ బి సో మెనీ అదర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ దట్ ఐవ్ బిన్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్, దట్ ఐ హావ్ ట్రైన్డ్. అక్కడ ద బేసిక్ నీడ్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్స్ అనేది we actually clearly tell them అన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే చాలా మందికి అసంప్షన్ ఉంది, అరే నా నాలెడ్జ్ నేను మాట్లాడితే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో సరిపోదా, వాళ్ళకందరికి అంటే దే విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రైట్, డూ ఐ నీడ్ టు యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రొజెక్ట్ సంథింగ్ అన్నట్టుగా అనుకుంటారు. ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, ట్రస్ట్ అనేది మీరు ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసే ఇంప్రెషన్ మీద కూడా ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంప్రెషన్ యూర్ యాక్చువల్లీ ట్రైంగ్ టు మేక్ ఆల్సో. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ బోత్. You have to talk to the recruiter about the knowledge that you have, and you have to portray, you have to project a particular impression also. So this is what impression management actually talks about. So that's interesting. Do you find it interesting?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm sorry to interrupt. Are we on the YouTube channel, or are you sharing any PowerPoint, ma'am?
Are you on the YouTube channel?
Yeah, we are seeing only the YouTube channel screen since then. Even the chat messages say the same.
Oh, this is sad. One second. No wonder I could not see a single chat message. One second. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I think my computer is stuck for some reason. Yes. Oh, now I can see the chat boxes. Look at that. I'm terribly sorry.
It's okay.
Imagine the kind of impression I must have left. But yeah,
no. That's a technical problem.
Okay. God bless. Now I'm able to see my participants and I feel good. ఎందుకో suddenly నాకు అనిపించింది, అరే maybe I'm not connecting to them at all. వాళ్ళకి ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదేమో. Because I couldn't see a single chat of
and also probably on the top of the screen you can unlock the security option if you know, because let the people because people are waiting to join.
Even I want to ask that. I have a couple of people waiting.
All right. Just a second.
On the
Let
top
me
of the
please unlock, sir. Please unlock. One people called me.
Oh, I'm so sorry then. Let me see. There must be some participants here. The participants, 4 participants raised a hand.
No. Before the participants, you have a security option, you see? We have any security option.
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
Unlock. Click on security and say it says just
it
remove
hasn't. No. Here, enable waiting room and lock meeting. I've only been given the option of locking the meeting. That means it's already unlocked, right?
Okay. It's unlocked. Enable the waiting room now so that the people will
I'll
join. You can allow the meeting.
Room.
You can allow the meeting. I mean, participants to join, ma'am.
Co-host, Karthik sir, you take co-host also.
That's not coming, sir. That's the reason.
Exactly. It's not giving me the option. Should I make you the host?
What about presentation,
I'll see if I'm able to make you the host.
What about the presentation?
Yeah, I'll use the presentation. That's okay. I mean, I can do it without the presentation also. But
I think Karthik Garu, you can make her a presenter. There is a role.
There's an option.
Yeah.
I'm just checking that option.
But you must be host to allow someone as a presenter.
Okay, already Madam is the host now. So
yeah, maybe you can take a host. Let Madam be the presenter.
The presenter. Yes. Let me go up. You are needing information. I'm unable to find. Multiple participants can share. Here it says one participant can share at a time and multiple participants can share simultaneously. So I don't know. We're wasting time.
You continue, ma'am. You continue. Let the people join. You continue. Share the screen and you continue.
Yes. Do let me know if there is any trouble in joining in at least. Are these people into the room now?
Those who are waiting.
Karthik Garu, are they in the room now? One second. Remote control, participant security.
Slides are visible now.
Yes, slides are visible.
Slides are visible.
Yes, ma'am. You can proceed.
We can see.
Yes, you can.
Continue.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Because I don't want to take.
You can put it on the full screen mode. Yeah.
Yes, I will. Thank you. Okay. Without much ado, all right. So I can see the chats also. I'm so thrilled that I'm able to see the chats now. I wasn't able to see anything earlier, so I was not getting any feedback. That's bad. Okay, so we get back the need for impressions. Now, this is the slide that we were actually talking about. The kind of trust that we get from the image onto the right side is very different from the kind of trust that we get as patients who are seeing someone, who are seeing this individual, this doctor for the first time, right? So that is the need for impressions. That is the need for us to actually build that particular impression, right? Everyone's with me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, so this is something that we all do. Manam kallu mooskuni terchina ventane, if we are able to actually see someone for the first time, we create a first impression in our brain. When we create a first impression in our brain, within seconds of seeing a person, we decide, you know, whether they have manners or not, whether they have a particular, which social status does the person actually belong to, which class of society the person actually belongs to, whether the person is friendly or not. Ammo, itanenti la unnadu is one question that we may get, right? Whether the person is friendly or not. The education. Some people look like doctors. They may not be doctors, but they at least look like doctors. So what are we saying? The kind of education, we start making an impression about whether the person is educated or not. Okay, the sexual orientation of the individual. This is something that I have learned by counseling so many students in so many colleges, believe me. Automatically, if they find that a girl is walking a little, you know, this way, with a particular sway, they automatically say this is a tomboy, she's not really. Or if a man is walking a little like a woman, immediately there's that question of sexuality, saying, okay, is this person straight? So all these things also actually happen. And finally, of course, friendliness. How friendly is the person? Is the person actually smiling or not? So this is how we form first impressions. These are all the guesses that the mind starts taking even before the person opens his or her mouth. Idi chala chala important. You guys have to remember this. And many of our students come to me saying, ma'am, I am not really well groomed. So do I have a chance at this interview? That's when I tell them, I say, okay, is that the kind of first impression that you actually want to give your recruiter? Nenu recruiter kaadu. Naku palana abbai chala manchivadu, he has very good process knowledge ani telusu. But what about the recruiter? For the recruiter, everyone is the same. All of us are strangers. So when he or she is taking or making an impression in his or her mind, it is a level playing field. He's going to take up what his perceptions are and make them true. Adi chala chala important anamata. Okay? So everyone understands first impressions?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Was it interesting so far? Do you want to learn more?
Yes.
Okay. At least I hear one yes. I'll take that as a yes. Harvard Business Review, actually. All right. So before we go to our Harvard Business Review, campus recruiters manalo em chustaru? What is that quality that a campus recruiter actually looks for in us? Okay. Can you use the chat box and tell me what campus recruiters look for? Feroz has already spoken. Behavior. Who else? Personality. Lovely. The best talents. Multitasking person. Lovely. Cultural fit. Brilliant. What are we as an individual? Nice. Communication, confidence, knowledge, positive attitude, dress sense. Lovely. Communication. Attitude. Very nice. So you know exactly what recruiters actually look for. Ante మీరు నాకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. Do you think a recruiter who is recruiting for a junior software profile is actually looking for exceptionally good job ready skills? Is he looking for that? Is he expecting that? Yes? No? No, no, no. Very good. Very good. Adaptability. Lovely, Sridhar Garu. Skills plus attitude plus originality. Lovely. Okay. So, what are we saying? We are saying that recruiters are looking for a package deal when they actually come to your organization, your institution, and do a proper campus interview. They have certain essential requirements that they're looking for. But great job knowledge and job ready skills are not one among them. Transferable skills are what they're looking for. Transferable soft skills and some hard skills. That's the only thing that your recruiters are actually looking for. So let's understand what exactly those skills are all about. Okay. So what is it that my recruiter is looking for? Student, ఇది ఒక recruiter VOC అండి. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a recruiter VOC. VOC అంటే ఏంటి? Voice of customer. Okay. When we approach recruiters, campus recruiters from a university level and say, sir, we have so many students. You can pick and choose the best of them. Then they say, okay, maaku peddem akkarledu. Ivi unte chalu. All right. This is exactly what they say. So students need to show that they have a positive attitude. They are teachable or trainable and they're quick learners. Okay. We like to see students who show a willingness to team and partner with others, since a lot of our work is group based in software organizations, in manufacturing units, everywhere in India. The kind of jobs that we have today are, and all the recruiters are actually looking for these few qualities. So Idi, how does it convert into impression management? Right? Plenty of participants raising hands. Is there something that you want to ask me? If you're raising your hand, do use the chat box if you have a question. My voice is not clear, guys. Madhuri Garu is saying that my voice is not clear. Please let
Now
me know.
it's clear, ma'am. Now it's clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay. God bless. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
And
Okay,
one more
so
thing, ma'am, and one more thing, you don't need to get disturbed anymore because I have parallelly arranged a Google Meet link. So people are
lovely.
joining on the Google Meet and they're seeing the Zoom window.
Lovely. God bless you, Karthik Garu. Because I'm actually not able to unlock anything. I think maybe it's the personal meet room. I've never had this problem before.
No worries,
But
carry on, carry on.
yeah. Thanks so much. And sorry for the inconvenience to everyone. Okay. So this is exactly what campus recruiters are looking for. నేను ఒక campus recruiter గా ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా these were the specific things that I could look for and I was looking for. And many times, if a student has been able to show that positive attitude and the eagerness to learn, we have overlooked certain basic fundamental defects in his resume. This we have done as recruiters also. So ఇది మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, because this is very very important. చాలా మంది పిల్లలు, many students in the university, they are at a CGPA of 9.8, 9.9, 9.7 and they don't get taken. I'm saying this again, they don't get taken into institutes of their or organizations of their dream, only of their preference, only because they are not able to showcase that adaptability, showcase that impression, that project their image. So this is something that is extremely important for everyone to remember. If we need to do that, you need to be able to actually create that strong impression on people. Okay, so let's understand first impressions. Idi meeru మీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ గ్రూప్స్ లో అక్కడ ఇక్కడ చాలా వినుంటారు, బట్ లెట్స్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద పర్స్పెక్టివ్. First impressions follow a 93% rule. I repeat myself. First impressions follow a 93% rule. That means 55% merciless ga anpistundi. Many people get very irritated saying, how can it be? But it is true. 55% of the impression is taken up by 1V. And that 1V amounts to the appearance and the body language of the individual. And whether or not the individual is able to actually portray confidence. పెద్ద అంత బాగా సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలియకపోవచ్చు, కానీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తో వచ్చిన కొద్దిగా సబ్జెక్ట్ నేను యాక్చువల్లీ మాట్లాడగలనా, షోకేస్ చేయగలనా, that is one thing, that is one aspect, okay, that forms a very good positive impression. The first V, okay, all right, so this amounts to 55%. The second V amounts to 38%. The tone, the pitch, whether the person is pausing or not, all the aspects of the voice that a person is able to hear, that forms 38% of the first impression. Hello sir, good morning, a very good morning to all of you. Ivanni, even in our basic greeting, the person is able to form an impression. Your recruiter is able to form an impression. And finally, first impression gurinchi maatladutunnam malli, only 7% is the contribution of the actual words that you're saying. మీ అందరికీ ఇది ఇంతకు ముందు తెలుసా? Do you know about this?
No,
If you
no,
know
madam.
about this, you don't. Thank you. If you don't know about this, this is very, very shocking. చాలా మంది పిల్లలు షాక్ అయిపోతారు, అవాక్ అయిపోతారు ఇలాంటివి చెప్తే. When you tell them, no, it doesn't matter. These are things that you can do in order to give the right kind of impression. Okay? So, ఇది హార్వర్డ్ బిజినెస్ రివ్యూ ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ ఫైండింగ్ ఇచ్చిందండి. ఈ 3 aspects ఏదైతే నేను మీకు చెప్పానో, 93% of the impression is formed by this. Only 7% is the actual words that we say అనేది. It is based on an HBR report. I can send it to everyone if you want. Okay? We taught only the best talents will be recruited. Lovely. We know, ma'am, our TPC sir said that. Very good. So, ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఇది చెప్తూనే ఉంటారు, మనకి ఎప్పటి నుంచో చెప్తూ ఉంటారు, కానీ పనుల్లో ఎందరూ యాక్చువల్లీ అప్లై చేస్తారు దాన్ని. దట్స్ ఆల్సో సంథింగ్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్, రైట్? సో ఈ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీరు మర్చిపోకూడదు, ఎప్పుడు మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఓకే, సో ఇంప్రెషన్స్ మ్యాటర్ అండి, చాలా చాలా ఇంప్రెషన్స్ మ్యాటర్ అవుతాయి. ఇది మ్యాటర్ అవ్వదు, నాకు జాబ్ దొరికేస్తుంది అని మాత్రం మీరు ఒక డ్రీమ్ లో ఉండకండి. You have to form the right impression on your prospective employer or on your interviewer. Okay, my screen is stuck again. Okay, so ఇందాక నేను చూపించింది, నేను మీకు ఒక ఇలాంటి ఫార్మాట్ లో ఒక పై డయాగ్రామ్ ఫార్మాట్ లో చూపించాను, ఒక పై చార్ట్, ఒక కేక్ లాగా చూపించాను. ఇప్పుడు let us actually understand the exact perspective, exact components of impression management. Are you all with me? Do you want to learn? If you want to learn, say bring it on. DIO. Say DIO. DIO. Type చేయండి. మీకు ఇంకా వినాలి అని ఉంది, మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తగ్గట్లేదు, మీరు బోర్ అవ్వట్లేదు అంటేనే నేను చెప్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు నాకు స్మైలీస్ కూడా పంపిస్తున్నారు, సో ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, బ్రింగ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి నేను చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి, అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్ పై డయాగ్రామ్ అనేది ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది, మన లైఫ్ లో ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ దీస్ 3 aspects అండి. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్లీ దీస్ 3 aspects. The first aspect being the visual aspect. 55.8% is what the recruiter is able to see. Okay, that means in the first 5 or 45 seconds of your actually walking into the interview panel, into that particular interview room, how you're standing, how you're sitting, whether you're crossing your legs or not, okay, whether you're actually smiling or not, do you look very nervous or do you look calm and confident, ఇవన్నీ విజువల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ లోకి వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను జస్ట్ సింపుల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ చెప్తాను, దాని తర్వాత మనం వివరంగా చదువుకుందాం ఒక్కొక్కటి. ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఐ విల్ పీల్ ద బనానా అండ్ ఐ విల్ ఫీడ్ యూ టుడే. ఓకే, సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్ ద విజువల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. దట్ ఈస్ 55.8%. ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 58% అనుకోండి. సెకండ్, the vocal aspect, 38.8% of the impression that you're making on your interviewer is heavily dependent on the vocal aspect. నేను తడబడుతున్నానా, నేను స్టామర్ చేస్తున్నానా, నా వాయిస్ లో డౌట్ ఉందా, I think I know the answer to this one. There itself the doubt actually goes through. and your recruiter has already said, okay, this is not a good profile. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Adi. Okay, that's called the vocal aspect. And finally, the verbal aspect is the actual content. Ante idi na knowledge. నాకు ఇది వచ్చు. ఈ టెక్నాలజీస్ లో నేను ఇలా ఆన్సర్ చేయగలను. నా యాక్చువల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అప్పుడు వస్తుంది. What are we talking about? About impressions again. Okay? Any questions? ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా question ఉంటే I'll be able to take your questions here and then we'll move forward. ఇప్పటి వరకు అన్ని అర్థమయ్యాయి అంటే you can use the chat window. You can ask any question that you have. Okay. ఎవరికో ఎక్కిళ్ళు వస్తున్నాయి పాపం. Okay, voice issue occurring in Google Meet. అయ్యయ్యో. I must really appreciate మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ మీకున్న పేషెన్స్ కి నేను మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ బాగా హార్దికంగా I would like to appreciate you. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ని టెక్నికల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నా కూడా మీరు కంటిన్యూ అయ్యారు అంటే యు ఆర్ రియలీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ కెరియర్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ అని చెప్పి. సో గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. వెరీ గుడ్. నేను ఇంకొకసారి మీటింగ్ లెట్ మీ ట్రై అండి. ఐ హావ్ అన్లాక్డ్. మళ్ళీ అన్లాక్ ట్రై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేశాను. I think the meeting has unlocked now finally. It's allowed me to. ఇప్పుడు కూడా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు?
No, we are able to see the PowerPoint.
You are able to see it clearly, right?
So probably I think by now people should be able to join back in Zoom.
Yeah, should be. Hearty apologies if you've not been able to. Here, I'm admitting people. People are coming now, finally. I'm so happy.
Great.
Yeah. No PPT only kada? Okay, Sandeep Reddy garu, welcome. If smart presenters manage in interview, then how worthy students grab opportunities? Ram, wonderful question. Chala relevant question అడిగారు మీరు స్మార్ట్ ప్రెజెంటర్స్ మేనేజ్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూ అన్నారు. నేను ఒకే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. We know that smart presenters are able to manage the interview. Maybe manage a better impression at the first time. Then why should a worthy student fall back on that? Why not, if you are a worthy student, why don't you work towards becoming a smart presenter? Right? ఇది ఒక స్కిల్లే కదా. ఇదేం తప్పు లేదు. చాలా మంది అనుకుంటారు అంటే నేను బాగా డ్రెస్అప్ అయితే నేను స్టైల్ కొట్టడానికి డ్రెస్అప్ అవుతున్నాను అని. ఐ డోంట్ అగ్రీ టు దట్. ఐ డెఫినెట్లీ డోంట్ అగ్రీ టు దట్. నేను ఇవాళ డ్రెస్ అయ్యాను. ఒక డీసెంట్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ షర్ట్ వేసుకున్నాను. ఇస్త్రీ చేసుకున్న షర్ట్ వేసుకున్నాను. నేనేమి షాపింగ్ కి వెళ్ళి కొనుక్కోలేదే. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రియలీ లెర్న్ to appreciate the fact that people are giving us the chance to prove ourselves. So what is it that we need to do? We need to become smart presenters. We have to learn this and lifelong. I'm 43 years old. I'm still learning. కొత్త ఎన్నో ఉంటాయి మనకి నేర్చుకోవడానికి. ఇవాళ నేను ఈ 15-20 days లో 1 month లో నేను జూమ్ నేర్చుకున్నాను. నేను ఒక 2-3 యాప్స్ మీద పని చేసుకోవడం నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. సో మనం అప్పుడే ఇఫ్ వి గివ్ అప్ కష్టం కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనకి తెలుసు ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్స్ అనేది కొన్ని క్రైటీరియా అట్లీస్ట్ చూస్తారు. మనిషి ఇలా వచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, ఒక క్రంపుల్డ్ బట్టల్లో, ఒక బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇదిగా లేకుండా ఒక 2-3 వచ్చారనుకోండి, వాళ్ళని అంత ఈజీగా అంటే యాజ్ అ రిక్రూటర్ నాకు వాళ్ళు అంత అట్రాక్టివ్ గా అనుకోకపోవచ్చు. అరే దే హ్యావ్ నాట్ put in the effort for this interview. That means this job is not so important for them అని నేను అనుకుంటాను యాజ్ అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్. అది మనం కంట్రోల్ చేయలేము. చాలా మంది పిల్లలు, చాలా మంది యూనివర్సిటీ స్టూడెంట్స్, వాట్ ఇస్ ఇట్ దట్ దే డూ? దే కమ్ బ్యాక్ విత్ ఐడియలిస్టిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ saying, okay, actually the interviewers, all the interviewers, they are being unfair to us. But believe me when I say this, interviewers are not looking for union leaders. interviewers are looking for smart people who are adaptable, who are eager, who are positive to learn from all of us. You understand? So make your presence felt. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Ram Mohan Garu. Yes. So it is our job to make our presence felt. Ayo, we nakante smart ga unnadu ante they don't want Hrithik Roshan to join as a software developer. Let me tell you, they want Ram, they want they want Shakil, they want all of us only, right? They want us to join, but we need to make that impression with our own 3 V's. Okay, so let's understand the 3 V's now. All right, let's move forward. Let's understand exactly what the 3 V's are all about. I'm going to just peel the banana and show it to you. Okay, so that you can take it back, you can work on it, and you can create your own personal brand. All right, done? Ready? Okay, there's another person.
Yes, ma'am.
Many people in the waiting room. This is exactly what I was worried about. People will keep coming, I'll keep admitting them, and I won't do my job. Okay, no problem. Let me resume the sharing. Someone else again. All right. Okay. So, and because of that, okay. So we are at the first V now. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seat belts. This is something that's extremely interesting, something that will help you with your life, not just when you're getting this particular entry-level job. It will help you with various other stages. Even if you want to create your own startup and you're presenting in front of a board of members, in front of angel investors, this will help you. Because actions speak louder than words. Okay, when we talk about the visual aspect, okay, let's remember that actions speak very, very loudly. We don't have to say something. Our facial expressions, our posture, our gestures, మన చేత్తో ఎలాగా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉందా, ఇలా నేను స్టిఫ్ గా నించొని అవును మేడం ఐఎమ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ జాబ్ అంటున్నామా, మనం కంఫర్టబుల్ గా మాట్లాడగలుగుతున్నామా. ఓకే, సో our appearance, what exactly are we looking like? We should, let me tell you again very clearly, meer akkada fashion show ki vellatledu, adi kaadu expectation. Okay, that's exactly not what any recruiter is actually looking for. Recruiters are looking for pleasant and professionally dressed people who look like they are eager to join the job. Okay, they look ready to join the corporate. Okay, so facial expressions, posture, appearance, eye contact, hand and eye movements, all of this come under the visual factor of impression management. Okay, so meeku idi interesting ga anipichindi ante yes అని చెప్పండి chat box లో. facial expression, posture, appearance, వీటిలన్నిటి గురించి.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So, oka chinna quiz, flash quiz. Okay? Endukante that's another thing that many interviewers are actually looking for in today's companies. Awareness baga undali. General awareness meeku undali. Who's the lady that you see here?
Indra Nui.
Lovely. Who's Indra Nui? Who's Indra Nui? Evra avade?
Ex-Pepsi founder, and she's also
Lovely. Lovely. Thank you so much. Okay, so why have I put her here? I've put her here because she's one of those people who's exceptionally well known for the kind of powerful language, body language that she uses. Not just the words that she uses, but the way she dresses, the way she actually projects a particular power across various levels. She was one of the only women who was actually taken for that particular position. There were so many other people who were waiting for that position who didn't get it. So appearance also matters. Anduku nenu a particular Indra Nuidi vadan anamata. I used that particular visual there. So something that's extremely important for all of us. మనం ఒక సుష్మా స్వరాజ్ అవ్వాలి, అలాంటి ఎక్స్టీరియర్ ఉండాలి, ఒక ఇంద్రా నూయి అవ్వాలి, ఒక సుందర్ పిచ్చై లా ఉండాలి, ఒక సత్యనాదెల్లా లా ఉండాలి అంటే ఆటోమేటికలీ సుందర్ పిచ్చై చిరిగిపోయి పాతగా ఫేడెడ్ గా ఇస్త్రీ లేని బట్టలు వేసుకొని ఎప్పుడైనా కనిపిస్తాడా మీకు? Yes, Rammohan Garu, absolutely. Indian who rose international among, one among the few. True. So I come back to the visual aspect. Meer endukandi for the day of the interview, I still remember that there was an MBA college that I had gone to, and they knew that we were coming for a campus interview. Okay, I was a part of a large ITES organization. Then I won't use the name of the organization. We went there, and believe me, the kind of people who came, all of these are final year MBA students, and their dressing, when I looked at them in the waiting room, when I went there and saw them, వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకళ్ళ టై ఇంకోళ్ళు అడుక్కుంటున్నారు. ఓకే, అంటే నేను ఒకలాగా వినిపించచ్చు నా గొంతు మీకు ఇక్కడ, కానీ యాజ్ ఎ రిక్రూటర్ ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్. అంటే ఒకళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఇంకోళ్ళు టై అడుక్కోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా మీకు? మీరు అందరూ MBA స్టూడెంట్స్, మీకు తెలుసు ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ క్యాంపస్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ అవుతోంది అని. ఒక పర్టిక్యులర్ ఎక్స్టీరియర్, ఒక పర్టిక్యులర్ విజువల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ మీ పాజిటివ్ ఇంప్రెషన్ కి యాక్చువల్లీ అది కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తుందని. అయినా మీరు ఇలా వచ్చారు అంటే మీకు ఎందుకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది? నేను ఎందుకు అనుకోవాలి మీకు జాబ్ లో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందని? Why is it that I will assume as a recruiter that you're actually interested or keen in joining my organization? Maybe it's just one other organization that you're attending, so I don't want to take you, right? So remember this, the visual aspect is very powerful. It's very powerful, and you need to be able to actually maximize it. So visual aspect ante ippudu, before we move to the next part, meeku em ardhamaindi? What is the first V of impression management? The first V of impression management is the visual aspect, everything that we are able to see. So please use the chat box and type out what you think is V, the first V of impression. What is visual factor? Meer pettandi ippudu. I definitely want to see your chats, because especially the students here, ఎవరెవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో, ఇది మీకు చాలా వాల్యూ యాడ్, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అపియరెన్స్, డ్రెస్ సెన్స్, yes, very nice. నేను అక్కడ అంటే how many of you watch Hindi movies? I'm not sure. I'm assuming that you watch Hindi movies. So I'm telling you, గోవిందా లాగా మీరు డ్రెస్ అయ్యి మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళకూడదండి. అంటే ఒక రెడ్ కలర్ షర్ట్, ఒక గ్రీన్ కలర్ ప్యాంట్ వేసుకుని వెళ్ళకూడదు. ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా అలాంటి ప్యాంట్లు చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాషన్ లో ఉన్నాయి. మొన్న అల్లు అర్జున్ కూడా పొట్టి ప్యాంట్లు అవి వేసుకున్నాడు కదా పాపం. అదే మన యాంకిల్ కి పైన వేసుకున్నాడు, చాలా బాగుండింది. అది చాలా ట్రెండీ, కానీ చాలా డిస్ట్రాక్టింగ్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ వేర్. సో మీరు చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. Very nice. Attention towards other person, physical appearance, gesture, posture, appearance. Lovely. So I'm hoping that everyone will remember the first V of impression management. Okay. So with your permission, I would like to move forward into the second V. Be not gaudy. It is not fancy dress competition. Lovely. Chala baga annaru. Self-confidence in front of the interviewer. Dressing sense makes a big difference. Yes, absolutely. చాలా మంచిదండి. కానీ ఇంకొక మాట కూడా అంటే, let me say something, at the end of today's session, I'll also give you a disclaimer later. Okay? Oops. All right. So should we move forward? Thank you, Manish Garu. I will move forward. So another part of action speaking louder, idandariki telusu, but I'm going to repeat it because it's very important. It includes how you stand, how you sit, what kind of movement you have. Are you distracting? Are you pleasing to the eyes? Are you professional or not? Are you giving a professional image or impression or not. Okay, the placement of your legs, your hands, your eyes, your eye contact, everything comes under that. Okay. I have people joining in continuously, actually. Okay, Vijay Garu has joined. All right. And that is freezing my screen. Okay. This is disappointing. Anyways. Okay. So how do we improve our impression management అనేది కొన్ని basics. మీరు trim చేసి మీ haircut has to be trimmed. You need to be clean shaven if you're a man. If you're a woman, of course, that doesn't actually count. You need to look and project confidence. Your dressing needs to be formal. Your handshake needs to be practiced. It's extremely important to practice your handshakes. Also, your body posture needs to be correct. Chala mandi ila kuchuntaru. That will not work, let me tell you. You know, in the corporate environment, you need to be able to actually project confidence that they can take you, they can invest in you. ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్క ఆర్గనైజేషన్ మిమ్మల్ని తీసుకున్నాక మీ మీద చాలా చాలా ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఆ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ తప్పుగా వృధా పోతోందా లేదా అని every organization will actually think about it. So if they like what they see, they will take you. Okay, so set those goals, write down what you think are the various visual aspects that you will remember from now on. So మీరు visual goals మీకు మీరు ఒకసారి మిర్రర్ చూసుకుని look at your friends, see other people around you, take feedback on what works, what doesn't work in the corporate environment, and write down those goals. Practice on yourself. You are all a personal product. Okay, repeated request for job. As we are freshers, how should we handle the interviewer? Adi inkoka ivala cheyalem. Adi not enough time for it. I would love to come back to this particular audience, of course, if you will have me, and I will teach you much more. This is just the tip of the iceberg, I promise. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు దీని మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసుకుందాం. తర్వాత let's move over to the other aspects of recruitment. రిక్రూట్మెంట్ మనకి ఒక 1 hour సెషన్ లో అంతా వచ్చేస్తుంది, మనం తోపులం అయిపోతాం, బోల్డ్ జాబ్లు వచ్చేస్తాయి అంటే అలా ఉండదండి. ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైమ్. ఓకే, సో ద సెకండ్ వి చాలా క్లియర్లీ, సెకండ్ వి ఇస్ ద వోకల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. యువర్ వాయిస్, మీ టోన్, మీ వాల్యూమ్, మీ పిచ్, అంటే మీ వాయిస్ మాడ్యులేషన్, ఇంటోనేషన్, రెజొనెన్స్, అంటే మీరు ఎలా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, మీ వాయిస్ లో ఎటువంటి టింబర్ ఉంది, మీరు పాజ్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా, వాళ్ళకి వేరే వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారా ఆలోచించడానికి లేదా. ఓకే, అండ్ మీ రేట్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ ఎలా ఉంది. ఒక సింపుల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇస్తాను, ఇది మీరు రాసుకోండి. ఏమో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు అంటే చాలా మంచిది, తెలీదు అని అనుకున్నా, ఐఎమ్ అస్యూమింగ్ దట్ యు డోంట్ నో ఇట్, సో ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ దిస్. ఓకే, నౌ just when you're reading the English newspaper, find a section, a particular section of the English newspaper, time yourself. How many words are you able to read comfortably in 1 minute? I'll repeat this. Okay, go through the English newspaper, time yourself, and count the number of words that you're able to read in 1 minute comfortably. Okay, what will happen? This will help you. This will actually help you calculate your rate of speech. I'm saying this again, rate of speech. మీ rate of speech మీకు తప్పకుండా తెలియాలి. You need to know how many words per minute you're actually speaking, because there is an ideal rate of speech for the other person to understand what you're saying. Okay, చాలా important rate of speech, especially Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, బిహారీ, ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఆడియన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. మన రీజన్ అది అంటే మనం అనర్గళంగా టక మాట్లాడేలో మనకు అలవాటు. సో we take that back into English and we just don't care for intonation, we don't care for pronunciation, we don't care to articulate our words. ఇవన్నీ చాలా చాలా important. Okay, so you need to remember that your voice is going to impact your presentation, your entire interview. So you need to invest in your voice, you need to practice in your voice. మీ వాయిస్ లో ఒక పర్టికులర్ టోన్ ఉండాలి, ఇంటోనేషన్ ఉండాలి, ప్లెజెంట్నెస్ ఉండాలి, మీ స్మైల్ మీ వాయిస్ లోకి రావాలి. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఓవర్ నైట్ మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి రెడీ అవ్వలేరు. ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది మీరు 4 year engineering కోర్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే it should start in the second year if you ask me. In fact, I would say first year, but it's okay. I'll give you some time. చాలా కష్టపడి ఎంసెట్ రాశారు కదా, ఒక 1 year వదిలేసుకోండి. కానీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ నుంచి I don't be very careful about it. Okay. And these days the interviews are being held in a virtual mode. So should the distance, yes, exactly. This is a virtual mode. I'm in a video conference. I'm not in my IT.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt. Ma'am, there is some disturbance in your voice, ma'am.
please.
Can you please check?
I hear the same disturbance in your voice also, actually. How come? I don't know. It's the same environment. I've not changed the environment, actually. Are you able to hear me now? Or is it the same?
It is the same, ma'am.
Voice is not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's the same. Should we log out for a second and log in again? What do you think?
I think that's better if you can quickly log off and rejoin, ma'am, so that I will.
Yes, even your voice I'm not able to hear clearly.
Probably the device which you're using, maybe just we can quickly do a log off and rejoin, ma'am.
Okay, let me log off and rejoin them. All right.
Yeah.
I'll just join in a second. Thank you. Let me leave. Don't go away. Okay, let me just leave for a second.
You can make me as a host and leave if possible.
Yeah. It's not allowing me anything right now, Karthik Garu. And so much disturbance.
Karthik sir, host has to accept the everyone request, huh?
So sorry.
Karthik sir, host has to accept the invitation also. Automatically join, na?
Ardham Garu, sir, what are you saying?
అంటే host మేడం గారు నేను అటెండ్ అయినారు కదా, ఆటోమేటిక్గా జాయిన్ అయిపోవచ్చు కదా.
మేడమే వచ్చేస్తారు, మేడం వచ్చేస్తారు.
ఓకే.
In the meanwhile, while Sujata madam comes back, it's very, very important, my dear friends, because many students are here. The first and foremost thing is we need to remember that we are going for a recruitment, or someone is coming to our campus means that's for a recruitment. It's not for a recreation. We need to ensure that any impression can be made. Any impression can be made the way we look at, the way we look like. Because when I'm going for an interview, it makes a very big difference, like who is Karthik, how is he dressed up, okay, our body language, our facial expressions, our smile, whatever madam is trying to say, including the rate of speech, everything. So we still have a lot more things to be taken from ma'am. There are a lot of takeaways. So before that, it's very, very crucial that one needs to remember that how should we get ready. Ma'am is in here. She is in.
I'm back.
Yeah, you are here.
And I've actually logged in from my phone. I'm hoping that maybe the phone will be easier for people to, hear me. Yeah.
So you're doing it from your phone.
Yes. Now I'm doing it from my phone, and I won't, use the PowerPoint at all. We can just talk about it. We can discuss, because we have hardly any time. It's already 12:15. So I was hoping that we'll take maybe 20-25 minutes if everyone is okay.
No more disturbances. You can continue.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. So thank you for patiently waiting for me. Okay. I see 70 participants. Not bad at all. It's a very good population. Okay, so where were we? Where were we? Who wants to tell me?
Rid of speech.
Rate of speech, exactly.
Karthik garu, now that is cheating. You can't tell me. Students should tell me. Right? Students should tell me. I'll be happy if students talk to me. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చేసుకున్నారు మిమ్మల్ని అడిగి నాకు లాభం లేదు. Right? Okay, so far so good kadandi. We were at V2, right? Now V2 is all the vocal aspects that we were talking about. Na gonte undi. If I'm not able to invest on my voice, I'm not actually constantly practicing voice modulation, how to be interesting in an interview. Ivanni chala chala important. These are all very important aspects of projecting confidence. Many of us actually get very nervous in the first 2 or 3 minutes of the interview, and that comes through in our voice. Our voice starts shaking. We start stammering. Okay, so if you face such a problem, please use the chat box. Tell me whether you face such a problem. Does your voice shake? Sorry. Yes, someone says I do. Yes. Imagine that it's your dream job. It could be Infosys, it could be Wipro, it could be Google. Absolutely, it could be sometimes, but not all the time. The more the pressure, the more the chances that your voice will shake. Right? The more the attachment to that particular dream job, the more the chances that you will feel nervous. Okay, so what are we saying? As and when you constantly practice the right kind of voice quality, you will start feeling more and more confident. Okay, because then you know the exact words, you know how those words sound. Also, you take feedback from the people around you. Prince has a very interesting question. As these days the interviews have moved to a virtual mode, so should the dressing sense be as important as in the virtual mode? Prince, let me tell you, coming from shaky legs and voice, yes, true. So coming from the perspective of a recruiter, based on the kind of organization that I belong to, I have certain recruitment guidelines given to me even when I'm virtually recruiting people. Okay, I'll repeat. The first 2 minutes, the recruiter would want to see your face. Who knows? Koncham thikka recruiter unnadu ankondi, he may ask you to actually stand up also. Tappu ledu, ayina ishtam. Let's understand. I mean, chala pedda organization, something that he definitely has to do. He has to see how you're dressed ante. He may just say, okay, could you quickly switch on the video and let me see you from top to bottom? He won't say top to bottom, but he will see you from top to bottom. మీ చెడ్డి వేసి కూర్చొని ఉన్నారనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం కదా. Why take a chance? Thank you, Bhaskar garu. Okay, tonic of impression management. Very, very important. All of us should remember. Prince, you especially, because you've asked this very relevant question. Manlo chala mandi మామూలు ఇంట్లో రాత్రి వేసుకునే పైజామా, లేకపోతే ఒక లుంగి, ఇంకా ఒక టీ షర్ట్ వేసుకుని హాయిగా మన ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకుంటాం. బై ఛాన్స్ ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్ మనల్ని వీడియో మోడ్ ఆన్ చేయమన్నాడు అనుకోండి, వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ దెన్? రైట్? సో వై టేక్ అ ఛాన్స్? Think of it as an actual instructor-led, face-to-face interview. Okay, and dress up for it. Now, there is another aspect to this. I'm not sure how many of you have already gone through this, but the aspect to it, the very, very important aspect to it is when I dress up really nice. Na birthday anukondi, then na birthday dress eskuni chakkaga ready ayyanu anukondi. How do I feel about myself? How do you feel? If you dress up nicely, it's your birthday. How do you feel? Use the chat box quickly. Confident, lovely, happy, good, happy, nice. ఆడపిల్లలే మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, మగ పిల్లలు నిద్రపోయారు. Great, pleasant. ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు. The boys have started talking. Okay, so what are we saying? We are saying that we feel good when we dress well, right? Why should we dress well only for dates or movie outings with our friends? We must dress up really well in order to be positive even for interviews, because interviews make or break our success, make or break our career, right? Okay, so let's remember this. Okay, chala important. Self presentation to show as professionals, yes, and a positive person, chala important andi. Naaku manchiga anipistundi, so naaku manchiga anipichinappudu I am able to portray confidence, I'm able to portray that I'm calm, I'm happy, I'm positive, I'm able to make eye contact and smile when I'm feeling good about myself. Okay, so we should feel good about ourselves even in a virtual interview. Otherwise, our tone of voice will come out negative. Our tone of voice will come out doubtful, right? Zoom session participants follow a nice code, but not for interviews. Absolutely right, Karthik Garu. I have also personally, as I was telling you about the MBA college also, many of the students did not even wear socks. Forget about, I mean, they had shoes, the shoes were not polished. They did not even wear socks. And I just looked at them from top to toe. And this was 15 years back. And I said, please go away. I'm not recruiting anyone. It was I mean, my boss called me up saying, Sujata, his name was Amitabh Kapoor. He was our vice president. He called me saying, Sujata, how can you be so whimsical? And I said, Amitabh, will you accept it if I walk into your boardroom without socks? He said, no, Sujata, of course not. Then I said, then why do you want me to be any different? So that is what recruiters can do. They can make or break our lives. But I gave all of them a warning. I said, tomorrow I'm coming back. And tomorrow is your last chance. And believe me, the next day they came so beautifully dressed, so nicely dressed. Dressing is very important. Kani, it also gives you that confidence and positivity. Anduke, that is why you need to dress well. Okay? So second V kuda ayipenda. Second V lo meer even నేర్చుకున్నారు. What is it that you have learned? Can you tell me?
Presentation.
Second V ఏంటి? మీరు టైప్ చేయండి ఫటాఫట్. ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? What is a part of vocal impression management? Mute yourselves. Use the chat, please, quickly. Know your feel good factors from others' point of view. Feel bad factors. Okay, rectify. Pitch, very good. Voice, tone, lovely. Voice, rate of speech, voice modulation, pitch, lovely, lovely. Very nice. ఇంకొకటి మీరు చాలా క్లియర్ గా నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి అంటే, many interviews will not allow you to use the regional language. Many organizations are still almost 90% English speaking. So you need to be a little careful at that point. You need to make your preparation, you need to speak good English. Okay, so it's extremely important that the oka రోజులో అయ్యే పని కాదు. It's not something that you can do overnight. You need to work towards the answers. Very nice. Many of you are saying the right things. Business casuals, by the way, are suggested by most companies nowadays, Prince. Okay, except if it's a sales job. If it's a sales kind of a profile, then of course you need to wear strict formals, you know, Western formals. Otherwise, business casuals is fine. But how many of us know exactly what business casuals mean? For us, you know, for some people, business casual again may mean ankle length socks. But that's not correct. Business casuals doesn't mean ankle length socks. Okay? So depending on the culture of the organization, you need to be a little careful. And if not tip, golden tip when it comes to visual aspect is dress a little more conservatively than you usually dress on any given day. కాస్త ఎక్కువ కన్సర్వేటివ్ గా డ్రెస్ చేసుకుంటే మీరు సేఫ్ గా ఉంటారు. అట్లీస్ట్ you will not, you know, displease anyone. Okay, so no English, no life అన్నారు. Yes, additional languages, anni languages chala, they have their own place in society, but in today's environment, English is an absolute necessity. You don't have to speak like an American. You don't definitely have to speak like a Britisher, but you need to speak unaccented, globally accepted English. Okay? Absolutely right, Karthik. No fake accent ante true. If we fake an accent, ekkado akkada mana Telugu accent, mana Tamil accent bayatiki vachestunadi. Then we look very, very funny, right? So absolutely right. Global accent is very important, right? So any more questions on the second V? Manam third V ki vellipocha. Vellipocha? Okay. So I'm hoping that we move to the third V. ఈ థర్డ్ వి అనేది ఆల్రెడీ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఫామ్ అయిపోయాక, already the person has formed the impression from the visual and the vocal aspect. So then he is more willing to hear the kind of words that we are going to use. All right, let's come back to this again. That is when the actual interview starts and the person asks us, tell me something about yourself. Okay, what do you bring to the organization? Why should I hire you? Do you know our company? Do you know anything about this organization? Tell me more. That is when the person, your recruiter, is more accepting of what you are going to tell him or her. Okay? So the third V is the verbal aspect. Verbal aspect. Verbal ante enti? The kind of words that I use, my content, the actual heart of all my preparation. My content, నాకు తెలిసిన knowledge నేను షోకేస్ చేయగలగాలి. Okay, any questions on verbal word అర్థమైంది కదా మనందరికీ? The actual content that I'm going to use. Okay, now let me do a quick live demo for everyone. Okay, live demo. Can any one student volunteer, please? Any one student. ఎవరైనా ఒకళ్ళు వాలంటీర్ చేయండి.
One opportunity, guys. Speak up. Unmute yourself and
It's a
speak up.
golden opportunity. It will be fun. Don't worry. ఎవరో ఒక్కళ్ళు unmute your speaker. Switch on your video. Let us see you. I won't judge you. I promise. I'm sure you're not best for an interview. I won't judge you on that. I promise you. ఎవరో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ తొందరగా, భయపడకండి. నేను చెప్పాను కదా నేను ప్యూర్ వెజిటేరియన్.
If not, names will come. Ma'am will pick up randomly some name.
ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఇలా రాండమ్ గా పిలిచేస్తాను. మరి
That's what
ఇదంతా
HR
నాకంటే చిన్న పిల్లలే కదా, సో పిలవగలను. భయపడద్దు అస్సలు. ఇదే కదా, ఈ హెజిటేషనే మీరు ఓవర్కమ్ అవ్వాలండి. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్, ప్రిన్స్ నాకు మీ పేరు చాలా నచ్చింది, మిమ్మల్ని పిలవచ్చా? అంటే యువరాజు కదా ప్రిన్స్ అంటే. హలో ప్రిన్స్. హాయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. Actually, I have a defect with my camera, so I could join with another mobile.
Okay, not a problem. I'm able to see you. No problem. As long as I'm able to hear you and see you, that's okay. And there are those two headlights on, behind you. I'm sorry?
I'm Durga Prasad Chaudhary and my nickname is Prince.
Oh, okay. Hello. So can I continue calling you Prince? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll ask you a very simple question. Typical question in every interview. Please tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Durga Prasad Chaudhary and I was pursuing my BTech in Aditya Institute of Technology and Management in EC stream. Actually, I have been much interested in photography and in other aspects, as I have much dream regarding UPSC. So I have been much doing good for UPSC, and I have been done many unknown things to be like architecture. Regarding architecture, I have done many researches, and I want to know much regarding those things.
Okay. So what is your exact qualification? What did you say your qualification was?
I was pursuing my BTech for a final year in Aditya Institute of Technology and Management.
Yes. So you, so here, thank you so much, Prince. That was an excellent demo. Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you.
may unmute, you may mute yourself and switch off your video.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Such a good experience. God bless you. Okay. So we did one live demo. All right. In this one live demo, what I'm trying to say is every word that Prince has actually used helps the person, helps the interviewer form an impression. Let's remember that. I was pursuing engineering final year. I was pursuing in the sense, is it over? Are you still pursuing engineering final year? I was pursuing engineering final year in 2019. I am now awaiting my results. Is that what you want to say? I'm just talking about one word, was. Just to help everyone, oka udaharanaga, oka demoga manandariki. So every word that we say will make or break this impression. It is so important for us to word everything in the right format, project everything in the right format. Chala important. Will they look at our percentage? Ishwar, it depends on the kind of recruitment kind of company. Many organizations that I have known look for at least 70%. Some look for 85%. So it depends on the kind of recruiter. And it's not just 12th standard and engineering. They look for your 10th standard percentage also. Chala companies, నాకు తెలిసిన companies. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎటువంటి కంపెనీకి అప్లై చేస్తున్నారో దాన్ని బట్టి కూడా it could change. The recruitment criteria of every company is different from the other. So it depends on the company that you're actually applying to. Okay? So, all right. So we come back to the verbal aspect. This will just take 10 more minutes. Okay? మీరందరూ గుర్తుంచుకోండి, మీరు నాకు ఒక ప్రామిస్ చేశారు. ఫస్ట్ బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద సెషన్ లో మీరందరూ నాకు ప్రామిస్ చేశారు, నేను మీకు ఒక యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ పంపించాను. ఐ వాంట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టు జాయిన్ మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఎందుకంటే దానిలో బోల్డ్ రహస్యాలు నేను ఫ్రీగా మొత్తం వరల్డ్ కి చెప్పాను. సో మీరు తప్పకుండా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. అదొక్కటే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ నాకు మీ దగ్గర నుంచి ఈ ఫ్రీ సెషన్ తర్వాత. ఇది మీరు నాకు రిటర్న్ లో ఇస్తే ఐల్ బి వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఇంకోటి, ఐ యామ్ always available for students who want to make a better impact on society. If you want to learn English, if you want to learn pronunciation, if you want to learn career readiness, interview readiness, denikaina sare sankochinchakandi. Do not hesitate to contact me. Okay? I'm available. Girish Garu, Karthik Garu they have my number, they have my email address. I would prefer that you write to me, write an email on what your problems are. Then mimmalni coach cheyadaniki eppudu ready. Okay? Okay, I'll గిరి గారు కొంచెం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మరి షేర్ చేయగలరా? నా లింక్ ని షేర్ చేయగలరా మీరు? నేను ఫోన్ మీద ఉన్నాను కదా, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డు ఇట్.
ఓకే మేడం, ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద వర్బల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. ఇప్పుడు వర్బల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ అనేది ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, ప్రతి వర్డ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనం మాట్లాడుతున్న ఎవ్రీ వర్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ కౌంట్స్. సో hello, a very good morning to everyone. I am Sujata Singh. I have 21 years of work experience in learning and development, organizational development, end-to-end training cycle management. I have learned to understand analysis, design, development, and implementation, and finally evaluation of training services. I have had the good fortune of working for organizations across the world. I've been a learning leader, I've been a training leader, leader of organizational development. Recently, because I wanted to give back to society, I moved into a university, and there my entire perspective of life changed. I saw that students of tomorrow needed so much support and guidance, and I found my true calling in student management and student development. That's something that I love doing today. So ఇది ఏంటంటున్నా నేను, ఎవరన్నా what do you do for a living అని అడిగారే చాలు, మనం కంఫర్టబుల్ గా మనకి ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చిన స్పీచ్ ఇట్టే చెప్పగలగాలి. We have to be absolutely comfortable with our own introduction. We have to be absolutely comfortable with all the words that we are using in our interview. మనకి తెలియని వర్డ్స్ మనం వాడకూడదు, మనకి డౌట్ ఉన్న వర్డ్ తప్పుగా వాడకూడదు, గ్రామర్ క్లియర్ గా చూసుకోవాలి, all of this is extremely important, people. Okay, so if you're able to understand the verbal aspect, చాలా మంది పిల్లలు జార్గన్ వాడతారు, విపరీతమైన జార్గన్ వాడతారు, అంటే పెద్ద పెద్ద వర్డ్స్ అవి వాడతారు అనమాట. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారు, ఇలాంటి పెద్ద పెద్ద వర్డ్స్ వాడితే నేను చాలా ఇంప్రెస్ చేస్తాను మనిషిని అని. ఆ రిక్రూటర్ కి ఆ వర్డ్ ఒకటి అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. నాట్ మెనీ రిక్రూటర్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ టేక్ యూ ఫర్ అ లైన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. లెట్స్ రిమెంబర్, ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ యాక్చువల్ లైన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. లైన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అంటే యాక్చువల్ బిజినెస్ లో మీ బాసో, మీ టీమ్ లీడరో, మీ యునో మేనేజరో మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకుంటారు, దాన్ని లైన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అంటారు. యాక్చువల్లీ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ కి వచ్చే మనిషి, ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్ లో వచ్చే మనిషి లైన్ రిక్రూటర్ కాదు, హెచ్ఆర్ రిక్రూటర్. అది గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. సో మనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చిన టెక్నాలజీ అన్ని వాడేద్దాం, పెద్ద పెద్ద వర్డ్స్ వాడితే బాగుంటుంది ఇంప్రెషన్ అని అనుకోవద్దు. మనం ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నామో గుర్తుంచుకుని వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్. ఓకే, సో ఈచ్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, సో ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆల్రైట్, సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వర్బల్ మీన్స్. ఇంకోటి, 3 types ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కూడా ఏ భాషలో అయినా 3 types ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఉన్నాయి. So you must be a little confused now, right? There is positive language, there is negative language. ఇవి రెండు వినుంటారు మీరు. Yes, definitely, absolutely, fantastic, I'm so eager, I'm so passionate, I'm so excited, I'm detail oriented, I'm goal oriented. ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి? పాజిటివ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అండి. There is another kind of language, negative. No, I can't, I don't, I won't. ఇలాంటివన్నీ నెగటివ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. హీ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్, హీఈస్ బ్యాడ్. ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి? ఒక నెగటివ్ కానిటేషన్ ఇచ్చే లాంగ్వేజెస్ అన్నమాట. దట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్. ఫైనలీ ఈ థర్డ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంటి? ఈ న్యూట్రల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ న్యూట్రల్ లాంగ్వేజ్? Can you use some words in the neutral language, please? Use the chat box. This is the last thing I'm talking about. Use the chat box quickly. What do you think is neutral language? What is neutral language? ఒక్క వర్డ్ వాడండి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మీకు న్యూట్రల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అని అనిపించేది. Waiting. Without changing the accent. Okay. Give a reason for that. Fine, good. Yes, these are some examples. కానీ చాలా చాలా
Sujata ma'am, your voice is not audible. Ma'am, your voice.
Unmute.
No, she's on unmute only, but ma'am voice is not audible.
Wait, sir, I will call.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you recheck your audio? Maybe she can't hear right now, Karthik.
Could you check again, please? Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
This is far
Okay.
better.
Okay, thank you. So neutral language, your voice and what you use, the kind of language that you use has to be free of neutral language. Maybe, could be, ilantivanni anakandi. Be very careful, use either very positive language or a little bit of negative language is also okay. Try to minimize negative language, but do not use neutral language. I will try, sir. No. I would like to attempt this question. Do not say I will try. Try is a neutral word. Okay? All right, so everyone has understood this. So this is what the 3 V's of impression management are. I hope this session has been informative to all of you. You have been able to find interesting information. Please don't leave right away. Okka sankalpam meerandaru cheskondi. Don't leave. Please think of the visual aspect, of the vocal aspect, and the verbal aspect. ఒక్క 5 నిమిషాలు మీకు మీరు give yourself some time and write down your goals, your visual goals, your vocal goals, and your verbal goals. And as I said, I'm always available for any kind of coaching that you need, career advice. If you need mock interviews for your college, your educational institution, you need, line interviews, we can always form a team. We're always available. Think of us as consultants. We're always available for everyone who needs help. Okay? So how was this session? Please use the chat box. Meeku nachinda ee session? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, ivala I've received a lot of good questions. Maybe koni questions unnai. They're very interesting questions. They got me thinking. If you want another session some other day on the top 5 interview questions and how to answer them, I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay? So Karthik garu, Girish garu,
Yes, ma'am.
very
Yes,
very
ma'am. Yes,
happy.
ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me in your wonderful team. Really happy to see so many people very interested, hanging on to each word that I was saying. I really like that. I apologize if there were any technical difficulties because that was unintentional. Yeah. So over to you now, Neeru. Inka up to how you want to take this ahead.
No, that was really fantastic, and technical challenges will always be there. No worries about it. But trust me, the students were really, really, really responding, and they're very much eager to know about a lot of things. And this is not going to just stop here. This is a series of lectures what we have planned on 21st Century Speakers platform, and we are going to do a series of sessions with you. And you're already in our group, and you could see that already students have joined the group of 21st Century Speakers now. We had about
I'm
15
so happy.
students joining. We are going to invite more and more. We'll share your updates. We'll keep sharing the knowledge. The group is
Definitely.
exclusively meant only for learning, not for any personal things. So we are always going to have wonderful learnings, ma'am. So my dear participants, whatever ma'am was telling till now, absolutely true, 110%, I should say. Even one point, if you miss out whatever you heard for the last 1.5 hours, trust me, it's going to make a very big mess at your interview places. Because I've been seeing, I'm being an HR, I've been awarded by a couple of companies as one of the finest arrogant HR twice, because I know how rejecting the candidates. And even for my own company where I'm working now, like where I'm associated with, it's been 3 months I'm searching for hiring people, because we need a job. That means we need to know how we should be with the organization. We have senior people like Ramohan sir, Sujata ma'am, and so many people, Ramesh garu and everyone, Trimurthul garu, a lot of people. They have been giving us a lot of inputs over the chat. They have been helping us to know what we should do. So follow each and every single input. Never ever hesitate to speak. Open up, speak up, listen to experts, and then get your doubts clarified. And that's the only way how we can be in a job. Because without doing all this, I failed 59 times in 2003 to get, 2004 to get my first job. And then in 60th, I got my first job. So I never had such people like this to help us. So we are also, and not only this, we are also going to have more sessions from great speakers who we have here. And I request Ramesh Garu and Bhaskar Rao Garu, Ramon sir, all of you to kindly stay in touch with us. I dropped my WhatsApp number, sir. And let us all try to help the student community with a lot more sessions. And I made this platform for this purpose. I wanted to help the community. So this is a pandemic time where we really need to go together hand in hand and help the students. So any questions now? The platform is to the participants. Any questions, suggestions, anything?
Very good afternoon, ma'am. Very excellent session, madam. Very basic question, madam. I used to ask every HR very basic question. How can we introduce? Tell me about yourself. First, we need to start. How we can start? Tell me about yourself. Introducing father, parents, or ourselves. I just want to know. Very basic question.
యాక్చువల్లీ టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అనేది మొత్తం ఒక ఫార్మాట్ అండి గిరిధర్ గారు. Actually, there are various templates that we use in order to answer such a question also. And depending on the kind of organization, depending on the kind of role that you are applying to, tell me something about yourself changes. చాలా సీనియర్ రోల్స్ కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి మొత్తం అంటే పూర్తిగా వాళ్ళు నీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ దగ్గర నుంచి, పేరెంటింగ్ దగ్గర నుంచి, ద ప్లేస్ దట్ యు గ్రూ అప్ దగ్గర నుంచి అన్ని అడుగుతారు. వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు అడుగుతారు అటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ అంటే దే వాంట్ టు గెట్ a profile of yours. ఒక మొత్తం సోషల్ అండ్ పర్సనల్ ప్రొఫైల్ వాళ్ళు తయారు చేయడానికి ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్, ఒక హెడ్ హంటర్, దే యూస్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్ అన్నమాట. టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఫార్ అన్ ఎంట్రీ లెవెల్ స్టూడెంట్, a typical format that entry level students can actually use is first introducing yourself, then because you're a fresher, you're actually a student, then talk about your family background, then you talk about your schooling, then you talk about your college, now you talk, I mean if you're doing your MTech, anta chronological, reverse chronological order lo anta cheppeskuni, then you move forward to what your aspirations are, what you want, what your dreams and hopes are. Itla maatladalannamata. This is how tell me something about yourself actually pans out. Itla vastundi.
Thank you so much, madam. We will keep one more session for identify, tell me about yourself session. And
Definitely,
very, very impressive session, madam. Thank you so much for managing all the impressive session. Thank you.
Thank you, Girdhar garu. Thank you.
Students, it's your turn. You need to open up and ask questions. It's not like being in a session. Be a part of it. Right. So, ma'am, can we plan about the upcoming, like what can we do for the next session? Can we come up with a topic where the students would get ready? When can you plan?
Definitely. Actually, the need of today is for students to get ready first. So we have to help them prepare.
True.
ఈ 3Bs అనేది it's just the tip of the iceberg, as you said, Karthik ji. తర్వాత actual preparation అంటే ఒక top 5 questions. The top 5 questions that will hold good in any field. The student can be an MTech student, the student can be a BCom student, the student can be any student. But these are the top 5 questions that most recruiters will definitely ask. ఈ top 5 questions ki readiness first create cheyali. So that is what I think my next session will be. Meanwhile, if all these students who are actually joining our platform can come up with what their challenging questions are, if they can write to us saying నాకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ తో చాలా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, నాకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయడం రాదు, then we can help them. So that's how I think we should go ahead, because interviewing also is an ocean. I can ask 1500 questions, but are the 1500 questions actually relevant for all these students? Top 5 questions ki prepare aithe anni questions ki, most questions ki prepare ayinatte.
Absolutely. So one faculty, one of the professors from Vishnu institutions, he says they would like to have a session again, another session on virtual interview skills and profile building. So let us focus on that also. So we have someone from APTPO consortium, so we'll also have some suggestions from them. So my dear friends, the purpose of creating this platform, again I'm repeating, the speakers are here to help every one of you. You need to come up. This is one of the questions what we HRs ask in the final round of it. Do you have any questions for me? And that's when we see damn silence, and they don't ask anything. And when will they ask? You know what? Once the interview is over, the HR is walking out of the room, and they will follow the HR, and they will say, sir, do we get this or do we get that, sir? What were we doing inside and what are we doing outside? So you have an opportunity. This is a platform. What if the HR says outside, I don't know who all your questions are into vain?
Absolutely.
So ask the questions, speak to people. Don't hesitate to ask questions. If you feel shy, yeah, please.
Sir, I am Sonika was from Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. I would like to ask a question to ma'am. Sir, can
yes,
I ask?
Please.
Sir, as we're having our virtual interviews, can you please focus on it, sir and ma'am?
Definitely. Ma'am, in a day, Monday, can we plan one Monday or Tuesday?
Sir, within
I have a session on Monday.
You can let me know.
Sir, within 15 days, we are having campus interviews, sir, of virtual interviews. So would you please help all our students to gain more knowledge on virtual interviews and how we want to prepare for those interviews. Can you please do it?
Yes, yes. So what I can do is I have shared a WhatsApp group link right now in the chat window. You join the group, and by Monday we'll give you a schedule of next virtual interviews and profile building. We take the services from Sujata Madam, Ramesh Garunaru. So we also take services from sir if he's willing to help us. So I think he will also be there, and we have other experts also. Please join that WhatsApp group, and we are going to fix a schedule for the next week or 10 days where all your questions will be answered, ma'am. Will that be okay?
Absolutely. I think that's a good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely, Karthik.
And ma'am, are you a student? Sonika
Yeah,
is a
ma'am, I am
student?
a student. I am a student, ma'am, from
Okay.
Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, final year.
Okay. Sonika, just a small, because see, we talked about the vocal aspect today. You need to pronounce your words correctly. Say virtual interview. It's not virtual interview. It's virtual. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
pronunciation
for the
also is very
correction.
important when you're speaking. I hope it's okay that I correct you.
Yeah, ma'am. It's really thankful that you have corrected me. And for the next time, I won't repeat it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonika. That's very smart of you.
In
Good.
most of my trainings, ma'am, the first and foremost thing I do whenever I start my training for soft skills or communication, I take the students straight away to LKG. I make them to pronounce ABCDs. I make them to open them out clearly, and then once if they're good with ABCD, then I'll go with the next one because pronunciation makes a big change.
Basics are important. Basics are very important. True.
Absolutely.
And all of us have regional languages, so we have a very pronounced
MTI.
captions. There are certain words that we need to change. Yes.
MTI.
I agree. I agree.
Because being in BPO sector, a lot of terminologies like this have been there.
Yes. Definitely, Chaitanya Krishna Garu. I mean, you are talking about the kind of interview tips to overcome nervousness, right? We will definitely focus on all of that. I'm glad that you're sending out these requirements, but it's better that you write us an email with all your needs. It becomes easier to actually design a session that way. Session ఏదైనా సరే అనాలిసిస్ లేకుండా ఉండకూడదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్రియేట్ చేసిన కాంటెంట్ ఎప్పుడు ఒక అనాలిసిస్ మీద ఒక ట్రైనింగ్ నీడ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యి ఉండాలి. లేకపోతే నేను ఒక జనరిక్ సెషన్ పెట్టేస్తాను. ఎవరికి ఏంటి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది? I mean, it won't really help everyone. So let me understand what your needs are, and then we'll be able to actually create sessions for you, right?
So any other discussions, any questions, please go ahead.
Email address అయితే మీరు షేర్ చేసేసారు కదా కార్తిక్ గారు?
Everyone,
Email
I'm
address
sharing
and
every
phone numbers
detail.
are shared. Yes. So once we have a basic understanding of what you need, we can design a very clear CRT that is specifically aimed at virtual training, virtual profile building, virtual training for your virtual interview handling, okay, for your interview readiness. Tappakunda, I'll be happy to.
Girigaru, if you have Sujata ma'am's email ID, can you type it here? Sairam Garu says he has a doubt. Yeah, Sairam, please go ahead.
Cheppandi.
You can unmute Sairam. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please
Thank you for
continue.
giving me this opportunity. Sir, actually, I am the Department of EEE engineering student. So, in the present generation, so everybody are saying that we need a computer knowledge, and without that computer knowledge, how can we means they are saying that we can't do any job without a computer knowledge. So I am the background of EEE. I have completed diploma and I am pursuing BTech. So I have doubt that I should go in the EEE department route, or I should learn the computers again. It is a different way to me, sir. So it is. So I am getting confusion in that.
Okay. Sairam Garu, Karthik Garu, if I can answer that.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Yeah. Sairam Garu, see, ECEEE అనేది ఇవాళ, I mean, in today's day, you still have certain job openings available in PSUs. Many of the Navratna companies, NTPC ayundachu, you have other companies that are asking for specifically for ECEEE. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
However, you need to first start at the beginning. What do you want is the question that you need to answer first. మీకు ఏం కావాలి, మీకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ కావాలి అంటే మీరు బేసిక్ కంప్యూటర్ నాలెడ్జ్, ఎటువంటి ఇంజనీరింగ్ జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి అన్నా యూ నీడ్ బేసిక్ computer knowledge. But whether you require knowledge of technologies, whether you require knowledge of certain languages, whether you require a technical skill set, will be dependent on the kind of job that you're applying for. అర్థమైంది కదా? సో మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు దాన్ని బట్టి కదా మీరు యాక్చువల్లీ అప్ స్కిల్ అయ్యేది. అవునా? సో మీరు ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? Do you want to join as a software engineer somewhere? Then
no,
definitely they are asking you for valid skill sets.
Actually, I have a goal that I should become an assistant engineering, EEE branch, electrical department only. I need to get the government job. That's my goal, ma'am. But in present days, in our college training cell also, they are saying that we need computer. We should have the computer knowledge. They are saying. So by we are in the student of EEE, we don't know the computer knowledge. We have the little basics, but they are saying that you should compulsory learn that C programming. You must have the knowledge Java at little bit. So they are saying that we are facing some problems, ma'am, for learning that such a different knowledge from comparing us. We have learned still.
సో మళ్ళీ సాయిరామ్ గారు, ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ your TPO officers, if they are asking you to go through a particular language or they are asking you to upgrade your skill set, they may be asking you to do that with the current economic scenario in mind. 1, 2, with the current job demand in mind. అంటే ఇప్పుడు దొరుకుతున్న జాబ్స్ ఎటువంటి జాబ్స్ దొరుకుతున్నాయి, వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిన స్కిల్ సెట్ ఏంటి, అదే కదా మీ ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ కూడా మిమ్మల్ని చదువుకోమంటారు. సో అది మీకు రెలవెంట్ కాదు, నేను గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ లోనే జాయిన్ అవుతాను అన్నా విద్య ఎక్కడికి పోదు. మీరు ఇవాళ C++ నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, మీరు జావా నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఎప్పుడు అప్పుడు దేనికైనా మీకు పనికి వస్తుందండి కదా. సో ఇదే టైం స్టూడెంట్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఏ వేగంతో, ఎంత స్పీడ్ తో ఎన్ని టెక్నాలజీస్, ఎన్ని కొత్త స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకోగలరో, తర్వాత మీరు గృహస్థుడయ్యాక, మీకు పిల్లలు పుట్టాక, రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ పెరిగిపోయాక నేర్చుకోలేరు. అవునా? అప్పుడు అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసుకోగలరు కొద్దిగా.
Yes ma'am, but now I am pursuing final year, ma'am, 4th year. So it's the last stage of our study, and now this is the last stage, ma'am, for learning or for getting a job. This is the first step forward. So we are getting some confusion that we are the finishing of this education.
ఇది అవసరమా అనే క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. I understand. ఇది అవసరమా అని మీకు క్వశ్చన్ రావచ్చు.
ఇప్పటి వరకు మేము EEE చదువుకున్నాము, దాని తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు EEE కి సంబంధించిన జాబ్స్ అంటే మేము జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలనుకున్నా కూడా నాలెడ్జ్ మళ్ళీ కంప్యూటర్ది కావాలి అంటే మళ్ళీ కొత్త రూట్, మళ్ళీ కొత్తది చదువుకోవాలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎండ్ అవుతుంది ఎడ్యుకేషన్. జాబ్స్ తెచ్చుకునే టైంలో కొత్తది చదువుకోవాలి అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్.
సాయిరామ్ గారు, నేను చెప్పిన మాట మీకు నచ్చకపోవచ్చు, నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. రిక్రూటర్ గా మేము ఒక క్వాలిటీ తప్పకుండా చూస్తామండి ఎవరైనా క్యాండిడేట్ ని తీసుకోవాలి అంటే. ఒకటి, దాన్ని అడాప్టబిలిటీ అంటారు, కొందరు దాన్ని అజిలిటీ అంటారు. AGILITY. అజిలిటీ అంటే మీరు ఎంత తొందరగా చేంజింగ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ కి అడాప్ట్ అయ్యి చేంజ్ అవ్వగలరు, అంటే కొత్త టెక్నాలజీస్ నేర్చుకోగలరు, మీ మైండ్ ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసుకుని ముందుకి యాక్చువల్లీ వెళ్ళగలరు, లేకపోతే లేదు. ఈ అజిలిటీ అనేది చాలా కావాల్సిన క్వాలిటీ ఇవాల్టి లోకంలో, ఇవాల్టి బిజినెస్ ట్రెండ్స్ వల్ల, గ్లోబల్ సినారియో వల్ల, మనకి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, కన్సర్న్స్ వల్ల బిజినెస్ ట్రెండ్సే మారిపోతున్నాయి. ఇవాళ ఉన్న బిజినెస్ రేపు ఉండట్లేదు, ఎల్లుండి ఇంకో కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఈ టైంలో మీకు ఆ మైండ్ సెట్ ఉందా లేదా అనేది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయిపోతుంది. నాకు మీ బాధ అర్థం అవుతుంది.
అంటే ఈ టైంలో అంటే ప్రిపరేషన్ టైం కదా మేడం, జాబ్ తీసుకోవాలంటే EEE ప్రిపేర్ కావాలా, మళ్ళీ కొత్తది నేర్చుకోవాలా అని టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా కొత్తది నేర్చుకోవాలంటే. అట్లా
నిజం, కానీ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందండి. మీకు ఆ పర్టికులర్ జాబ్ కావాలంటే చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, తప్పదు. అందుకే నేను ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను మిమ్మల్ని, మీరు ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. మనం ఒకటి అనుకోవాలి, మీరు గవర్నమెంట్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి అనుకున్నారు కానీ అప్పుడు కోవిడ్ లేదు, అప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ లేదు, అప్పుడు ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లేవు. ఇప్పుడు కొత్త సినారియో, కొత్త రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్. సో దీన్ని మీరు ఒక పాసింగ్, ఒక ఫేజ్ అనుకోండి. ఒక ఏడాది 2 ఏళ్ళు నేను జాబ్ చెయ్యాలా, తప్పకుండా జాబ్ చెయ్యాలి కదా, నాకు గ్యాప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, నేను జాబ్ చేయాలంటే నాకు ఎటువంటి స్కిల్ సెట్స్ అవసరం, సరే నేర్చేసుకుందాం.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఏమైతుందంటే గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ మేము అంటే అప్లై చేసుకున్నాము, దానికి పోస్ట్ పోన్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా కండక్ట్ అవుతలేవు. సో మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ పోస్ట్ పోన్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు మాకు ప్రైవేట్ జాబ్ చేయాలంటే కంప్యూటర్ నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు, అసలు ఏం చేయాలి అర్థం అవుతుంది.
మీ పరిస్థితి టఫే సార్, మీ పరిస్థితి ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్నది అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్. yes please Karthik, please.
Okay, see my dear friend Miru, you are from Tripoli, right?
Yes ma'am. Yes sir.
Okay, what are the technical skills you have at this point of time?
Sir, troubleshooting I know sir, electrical
troubleshooting
devices sir. And sir, troubleshooting means I can guess that what the problem in the present. If I get a problem in our refrigerator, if I get a problem in our house house wiring, so if any power cut, so in any TV, if it's a problem, I can guess the problems in that. So I can troubleshoot the that and PCB designing, and I have the skills of substation. I have done a workshop on substation sir, 1 month. So I trained like that. Some of the I have learned only according related to electrical sir. So I am getting tense that if I without the electrical knowledge, I thought that I should only learn electrical, but now I am facing that I should learn the CSC subject also again.
No. Do you have the knowledge of C++ programming now?
Sir,
do you know how to write a programming in C or C++ or Java? Anything?
No, actually I know C programming sir. Just
you know C programming, right?
Just a little bit. We have the subject in diploma.
Okay. So don't worry. With your C programming skills, if you are ready to spend 15 days, okay, you have wonderful opportunities. At the same time, you can be a master in the same PCB programming, and also you can also do a wonderful, what do you call that? I'll do one thing. You just get in touch with me. I'll share you all the skill sets and also all the job opportunities that are there with a basic C programming for a EEE fellow. Okay, you don't need to get worried about anything. Opportunities will keep on increasing. Even many people say that, sir, I want to get into cyber security. I keep listening to a lot of tools and technologies, but a cyber security professional works primarily with C, C++, Java. Many people don't know this. If you know C, C++, Java programming, you can even become a cyber security expert. You can do programming in PCB. You can do programming in chipset manufacturing, chipset also, right? If you are able to focus a little bit on VLSI, that gives you more impact. We'll discuss on this on a different session. Like, you can get in touch with me. I'll share my number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You just join the group. I'm there to help you on this. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, Sairam Garu, opportunities are many. It is about how adaptable, how agile we are. If we are able to reach out and start relearning, or we are open to actually learn new technologies, limitless possibilities, and sky is the limit. Everything will be fine. So I think we have actually gone ahead almost till 1 o'clock. Karthik ji.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So thank you very much. And one good thing is the people are so fast that I could see from this particular group already 59 participants have joined the group with us, where you're already in.
Wonderful.
So we are already here in the group. So no student is missing. At least we have got 50% of the strength in the group again. So
that's brilliant.
That's really great. I request all the faculty also here. I'm again, it's been reshared multiple times. I'm again resharing it. You can join the group, and we are going to plan more and more sessions. We'll be definitely helping each other. So kindly be a part of this group, and this is my number. I'm also there in the group. Thanks to Giri Garu and the entire team of mine, and thanks to Hindu colleges and Ram Garu and Ram Mohan sir, and especially student community for being so patient, for the last 2 hours. And
Yes.
The big thanks go to Sujata ma'am, because a lot of technical glitch in between. She rebuckled everything and she came back and she just made everything, and I said, big fit. Right?
Thank you.
Nikita, I have one
Likhita, you have one last question. Likhita, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is
Good
Likita from
afternoon, Likhita.
Hindu College of Engineering and Technology.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Likhita.
my question is, my fellow friends are there, no, ma'am? They have been,
Yes.
they have many interior qualities to express something to someone. Even in a group, also they have some expressive words to all of them. But they have some interior
Okay.
fear to express them all, ma'am. How to control that interior fear, internal fear, all of these, ma'am. I have some doubt. Even myself, I will be tense when I'm speaking. That's
Okay.
why.
First of all, Likhita, you're so pretty. I've just seen your DP. You look you look so nice. You're such a pretty girl. I'm absolutely sure that many of us early in our professional lives as students, depending on the kind of personality that we are, okay, we have certain hesitations, certain fears, okay. But as you're rightly pointing out, you want to overcome that fear. Okay,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
itself is your intention. Meeru sankalpistunaru. You're creating a positive intention that you want to overcome your hesitation. That is half the battle won. Very good. Many of us deny it. You're at least accepting it, which is very good. Now, in order to overcome fear, you can't do it overnight, but it takes something as simple as pushing yourself to talk every time, consciously pushing yourself to talk. It can be very uncomfortable.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
For you, initially, you'll be very embarrassed, your hands will shake, you'll feel hesitant, your voice will shake, but just push
Ignore.
yourself every time.
Yes, ma'am.
And slowly, you'll start getting used to it. You'll still feel scared. You'll still feel a little hesitant. But earlier, right now, if you feel hesitant for 5 minutes, later that time period will go down slowly. As and when you keep exposing yourself to just 30 seconds. 30 seconds, you feel a little scared, then you're normal.
Okay.
Everyone feels scared. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll be happy later, in for public speaking success also, for interviewing success also. I'll be happy to take all of you through this, step by step, how to overcome your fear and all of that also later. Okay? But I'm happy that you asked me the question. God bless you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
You're welcome,
Likita.
Likita.
That was a nice question, and thanks for being a part of this. So that's all from our end. And any further discussions? Yes, we can still carry out on the group. I've added people. Now we have 62 people in the group. So that's really fantastic. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for your valuable time, and we look forward to have more sessions from you. It is a never-ending process. Thanks to all the participants, especially to also to the Adi Shankar Autonomous Head of the Director Head, sir, and Giri Garu for bridging us, and everyone over here in the group. Thank you so much, everyone. And here we end the session. Signing off. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful weekend.
You all.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you
you, Karthik
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
And one more
So
thing, Ramesh sir, I'm sorry to Ramesh Vidata. Sir, you are there, sir?
Yes, I'm there.
Sir, yeah. We would like to have you also a part of a couple of sessions. Would you be interested to help us?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's really great.
That's where
really
I'm there in Vikasa Bharati.
Yes, we
Share
met
our
actually
experience, knowledge.
through Jay, sir.
Yes.
So we'll definitely get in touch, and you can be a part of the team, and we'll have more interactions coming up from you also, sir. We'll definitely work together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for your time.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you,
care.
Karthik Garu. Thank you, Girish Garu. Thanks all. I need to go quickly and start cooking now.
Exactly.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, all. Thank you, Ramon garu. Thank you, Andy.
Yeah.